Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Fiat 500 2017 model. Basically, this car came for a clutch, but I know most time it's not a clutch. Basically, it's something make it leaking in the hydraulic system. You can see the reservoir all empty, nothing there, right? When you see like this problem, your reservoir totally empty. I'm going to top up brake fluid. It's DOT4 it's holding. If you not sure what kind of brake fluid it's holding, you can read this cap. It say here, see in the bottom it's saying DOT4, right? This brake fluid not good for the body. Be careful because it's might be damage your paint. I'm going to top up brake fluid, right? Already top up. Right, now next step, you can see it's dripping now. Press the clutch, press, yeah, see, yeah, okay, right. Okay, now you know the problem. This is not a clutch, this is something not right. They are designed. Basically, this system has a Fiat 500 and Ford KA and Abarth cars. Most cars using this one. I'll show you once I remove the connector and I'll show you what happened. Basically, it's very easy. Need to jack up the car. You don't want to remove the wheel turn little bit right hand left this side towards my side, then you have enough space. After that, what you have to do, you have to cut that line and you need to install like this one. It's very easy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to jack up the car and cut that unit and come back to you, right? You can see I already cut this edge and this edge and took it out. This is the problem. You can see it sit on right exactly here. Basically, you can see because water, mud, everything deposit there and it's crack here. That's why the leaking. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this edge, that edge. Brake hose like this. We have to cut here. It sit on like this. Forget this unit. It sit on like this. We need to cut here, cut there, take out this unit. After that, we need to just clip in. Then after that, this one do the job. But this is temporary solution. But when you go to the dealer normally said you need to change clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder and the whole pipeline. Then huge expensive is cost around like just for the parts around 450 80 something plus labor timing. This is the easy peasy. This connector will cost maybe 7-8 pounds. Once I fix this one, after that I need to bleed the system. I'm using my pressure bleeder. Then once I bleed the everything, I'll show you what's going on. Thank you. Right, we already cut this one. I'll show you early. This is the joint. We done the amendment. We put this socket, basically not socket like the, I don't know what's exactly the word. Sorry. Yeah, universal joint might be. That's a word. Yeah. Then after that, it's all fine. Yeah, and we use the water and cleans around this area and we press many times and have a look. It's not leaking anymore in here. Yeah, so if you have a Fiat 500, Ford car or Abarth, similar models, if it feeling clutch not right, first of all open tire to this way, then we have enough access. Then remove this one and do the new connection. I add the link in a description, then you can buy like this one. Thank you. See you in the next video.